The variety of designs and sizes of cheese drawers allows you to organize different types of cheese with ease. From hard cheese to soft cheese and processed cheeses, spices, at the same time, displaying cheese on a tray also creates an interesting and attractive space, making it difficult for people to resist the visual and taste stimulation. With a large cheese tray, serving and enjoying cheese is simpler and easier than ever. Look at the big pizza. You not only feel the appeal of its physical beauty, but also the great taste it brings. With a thin soft crust, covered with a layer of rich golden tomato sauce, the pizza is truly a work of culinary art. Looking at the round ravioli, you can't help but be amazed at the meticulousness and sophistication in the making. Each noodle ball is meticulously handcrafted from thin and smooth layers of bread, then stuffed with a mixture of fresh ingredients. When enjoying, you will experience the unique deliciousness of the rich flavors, and you will not be able to resist the appeal of these soft and rich noodles. The flexibility and variety of the robot allows you to choose burritos with many different ingredients and flavors, from beef, chicken, soy to vegetables and sauces. This customization capability helps meet diverse customer needs and deliver a rich culinary experience. Various colored cakes not only create. Stainless steel is the primary material for producing spoons because of its hardness and suitability for cutting food. There are three main steps in the spoon making process: shaping, polishing, and cleaning. Sending a hammer into another dimension. A million times 96 volt installed in a beautiful private home. The oxide layer is removed from the metal workpiece through a sliding process. The PVC coil is securely fixed thanks to this smooth process. This machine makes the process of stamping molds onto tires easier. The wooden planks are straightened before proceeding to subsequent stages. Thousands of links are connected together in the blink of an eye. The Bauer piledriver is always rated as a reliable tin soldier for complex construction projects. Tire cutting is one of the first steps to begin the recycling process.